Hey, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra, my channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. This afternoon I am doing an unboxing for you. It's an unboxing that I've been waiting for over a month because it is over a month late. If you want to find out what I am unboxing today, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos where I do lots of unboxings, lots of reviews of makeup products, and press that little notification bell, and then that will make sure that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So what is the box that I'm talking about today? Guess which one it is. It is the, I'm assuming it is the BoxyCharm Luxe from March. Yes, March. It's finally arrived today, Friday. Honestly, this box has just been all around the world. I first raised that I hadn't received the box yet with BoxyCharm. Must have been, I can't remember, it must have been sort of like the third week in March. I sent an email to BoxyCharm to say, look, where's my box? Because with BoxyCharm you can check on your tracking, and my tracking was saying that the box was stuck with FedEx and they were creating a label. So all I got back from BoxyCharm is that they'll look into it. Thanks for getting in touch with them. They'll look into it. And what I realised just by watching the other sort of American YouTubers, a lot of them had not received their Boxyluxe from March. So it was definitely a problem with FedEx, it seems, with this label creating situation. So let me tell you about BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm, they do 3 tiers of boxes. So you've got the base box, which costs $25, and you'll get 5 full-size items, and they'll be at least $125 retail value. Then the next level is the Boxy Premium. I also subscribe to that. That's monthly as well, $35, and you'll get a retail value of your box of $175. Usually it's a lot more. And finally, you've got the top layer, which is the Boxyluxe, because that's what I'm assuming this is the Boxyluxe. That's a 3 monthly box, so it comes out 4 times a year. It is $50, and it's an upgrade from your base box. So to get the Boxyluxe, you must be subscribed to the base box as well. So you'll get charged for your base box price, and then you'll get charged an additional $24.99 on top of that as well to cover the upgrade price. So this is the March one. Yeah, just making sure it is the Boxyluxe, and that's what it looks like. I literally cannot remember what was inside this box. It's just so long. I've got a whole lot of boxes here that I need to unbox, so I'm going to go through this one really quickly. Right, I've just seen the first thing. So the first thing inside was this, and I can't remember if this was included in the box, or I think this was my choice item inside the box. And yeah, this was the choice item. So with each of the boxes, so Boxy, the base box, the premium box and the Luxe box, you can choose one item. This is the Tartist Pro Remix palette. I've actually got this item already because I purchased this probably last year from QVC when they were selling it. So if I show you the one I've got already, let me just get that for you. So here's my one here. This is the one we've received in the box. So I'll show you my one to show you what this palette's like. And I'll also put down the retail value of this palette in the UK. So this is what it looks like. So I bought the original Tartist Pro palette, and I absolutely loved it. It was my very first high-end eyeshadow palette. So when I saw last year that they'd released this, I had to get it. Even before I sort of realised what the shades were, I had to buy it. And that's what it looks like. Look at those colours. So you've got these 4 shimmer colours down here, is that correct? Yeah, all 4 shimmer colours. When this colour up here is gorgeous. And most of the colours in this palette are shimmer. So some are sort of like satin, more satin, and some of them are like straight up shimmer shades. So it's not like the original palette where you've got a mixture of matte and shimmer. This one is mainly satin and shimmer shades. Can't remember if there was any. Yeah, there are some matte shades in here. So the matte shades, so you've got these 2, those are matte shades. So I'm bringing you in close. Those 2 are matte shades. So if I do some swatches so you can see what the colour's like. So I'll show you this colour first because this colour is gorgeous. Look at that. That's a beautiful colour. I'll show you this colour here as well. This one's a really nice colour as well. See that? Beautiful colour. Show you this yellow colour here. Yep, see that? So really pigmented colours. I'll show you this green colour here. Just going to show you this colour here, that one there. Yeah, so you can see the colours are just really pigmented. So this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. So I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do with that palette as yet. I'm either going to put it in a giveaway or I might sell it on eBay. Haven't quite decided yet. So let's put that one there. Right, so that's the first item inside the Luxe box. I mean, this again, I think this is about £30 retail in the UK. Can't remember, but it's something like that. I don't seem to have a card inside this box, but you know what, I don't really care because just glad that I've got it. Right, next in here is sponge gels. So I absolutely love sponge gels. I tend to always buy them inside my FabFitFun. I always get them as add-ons in there. So these are just like sponges and they're infused with your shower gel inside the centre of the sponge. You'll get about sort of 10, I think they say 10 to 14 uses out of it. I mean, I've got a big body. I'm a size 20, so it's size 20 UK. And you know, I can get about 20 washes out of these. They're beautiful. They've got all different fragrances. They're really, really nice. So I do love these. This one is this one is French lavender. So I haven't got this fragrance. So let's smell this one. Oh, it's nice. So that's what it looks like. So you soak it up. It's a sponge. You soak it up. You wet it. It gets all soft, and then the shower gel comes out once you start using it. So more than happy with that because I absolutely love sponge gels. Absolutely love them. Alright, so there's that. Leave that. Oh, right. Oh, yes, this. There was this thing. Now, I remember there was a big thing about this. There was all the corny jokes about this. So this is an electronic tool. It's a battery-operated tool, and it's used to cleanse your face. If I remember correctly, this cost $92. I think it sells for about £60 in the UK, but don't quote me on that. I will find a UK price of it up on the screen. But in the States, it costs $92 or $99. I can't remember exactly because I haven't got a card inside my box. So there's that. Let me show it to you. And it's just like a tool, motorised tool to help cleanse your face. Obviously, there was all the corny jokes. People were doing it, saying, "Oh, it's like a vibrator." You know, so this is what it looks like. So it's like that, so you can see that. I like the colour actually, I like this. It's navy blue with the gold. I actually quite like that combination, very stylish. So it's like that. You turn it on, battery operated, and it kind of vibrates, and you can help that to help give your skin a really good thorough cleanse. And on the back as well, you can use that. So if I put these batteries in, at least they give batteries, so that's good. So it's a AA battery. See if I can put this in. Right, mine doesn't seem to want to work. Am I putting the battery in the right way? My battery's probably dead. It's been sitting around for God knows how long. Let's see, let's try this again. Mine doesn't seem to be working. I think it's probably just the battery thing because the battery's been sitting around for ages, but basically it vibrates and do that. Right, mine literally doesn't seem to be working. I don't know, I'll have to figure it out. I mean, don't know if it's the battery or not, but it doesn't seem to be working, which will be a bit of a pain considering it's taken so long for me to receive it. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to be mighty pissed off. Right, let's move on from that. Right, next is something from, who's this? Elizabeth Mott, and it's a smooth shadow eye pencil duo. So this is from Elizabeth Mott, and it seems to be a eyeshadow duo. So let's have a look at this. I don't think I've seen this on, I don't think I've seen anybody unbox this. So it's a pencil product like that. Oh, it looks like it's just an eyeliner. Yet another one. Yeah, it's just an eyeliner. They said it's a duo. I'm confused. A problem. Why does everything I've received seem to be a problem to me? So this comes off the end. Smooth shadow, creamy eye pencil. Yeah, it's just a... Oh, I see. So it's just an eye pencil. Literally, that's all it is. It's just an eye pencil in black, and that's it. Not exactly exciting. And now that I've tried it, I can't even give it away. So I'll put that in there. So another eye pencil. I've got a little bag here, one of my Ipsy bags. I just put all my eye pencils in there. I've got so many, you wouldn't believe. Right, what's this? This is from Appeal. This is a gel liner. Is it a lip liner or an eyeliner? I don't know. It just says gel liner from Appeal in that colour. Don't know if it's a, as I said, I don't know if this is a lip liner or an eyeliner. The colour suggests that it might be an eyeliner. I don't know. Let's take this wrapping off. Alright, so I've taken the wrapping off. Right, that's the colour. Oh, what do you think that is? Do you think that's a lip liner or an eyeliner? Well, I don't know. I'm going to have to look this up. Right, so that's the colour. What do you think? I don't know if that's an eyeliner or a lip liner, guys. I really don't know. I'll look this up and I will see. Yeah, it just literally says just a gel liner. So it could be either a lip or an eyeliner. I'll look it up and I'll find out the correct details. Right, next two items. Okay, quite pleased about receiving this. It's a duo. These come as one item. So we've got the what do you call it? Sol de Janeiro. So you've got the Bum Bum cream, which I absolutely love. Pit is so small. So that's a fragrance I absolutely love. Let me just inhale this in. Oh, honestly, it's the best smell. It really is. This just says summer when you put this on. Really gorgeous cream, moisturising cream. The whole idea of it is supposed to be like the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. It's supposed to help with your cellulite in your backside area and your thighs. But I mean, again, as a moisturiser all around your body, it's gorgeous and it smells beautiful. And you use that with the shower gel that goes with it. Oh, honestly. Then this is another fragrance. This is Coco Cabana cream. So it's that one there. Smell this. Ooh, it smells like pina colada. So it does. It smells like pina colada. I don't mind it, but compared to this, oh, I'd rather have had two of this fragrance basically. But again, I don't mind. They'll both get used, especially this. I'll treasure this because I absolutely love that fragrance. So that counts as one item. So where are we so far? We've got this, which I can't get to work, so that's one. We've had my Tartist Remix Pro palette, so that's two. We've had this gel liner, lip or eye, I don't know, that's three. We have this eyeliner, that's four. That's five. And I think it's, I can't remember, I'm sure it's sort of 7 items you get inside a Luxe box. So we've got 2 more items. Oh, good. So we've got Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment. Oh, I love these. Absolutely love these. When these were first launched, I did go crazy. I saw Jackie Ina do a video. So this has got to be a good 2 years ago now. She did a video. I think I must have watched it about 2 o'clock in the morning or something like that. One of those nights when I couldn't sleep. And she just did a swatch. She just wore all of the shades that were available. And I think I went ahead and I ordered 6 of them. I think I ordered something like 6 of them. And they're not cheap. They're about £26 at the time. They weren't in getting these 6 lip liners. Really, they weren't cheap. I remember I spent over £100. There are extra shades that have been released since that time. So let's see what shade I've got here. Hopefully it's not one I've got already. This is Give It Up. I haven't got this shade. No, I haven't. Hopefully it's a nice colour. Let's have a look. Ooh, it's a bright pink. It's a really bright pink, but you know what? I can wear it. Let's have a look. I just love this formula in lip colours. So it's a bright pink. You can see it there. That's a bright pink. I can wear that, so I'm more than happy about that. So I'm pleased about that. Those liquid lips, Power Matte ones, the formula is fantastic. And the final item in this box is this palette. So I remember BoxyCharm have released their own palette, and I think it was like in tribute to all the BoxyCharmers, the ones who do all the spoilers, who are regular YouTubers in America. So there's quite a few of them, and if I remember correctly, they had all the sort of various channels that do the BoxyCharm videos imprinted in the design. So there you go, that's what it looks like. Yep, and let's have a look at the colours. Okay, now I'm looking at it close. There you go. Interesting shade choices in there. Ooh, that's cool, isn't it? All right, that's cool. You know what? I'm not going to do swatches of these. I'm not going to do swatches of these because, again, I've got a hell of a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and I'm looking at those colours. The colours look great, but at the same time I've got very similar colours in other palettes. So I'm actually thinking I'm either going to give this one away or I will sell it. I'm not sure as yet what I'm going to do with it. So the information will be available. And that's it, guys. So that's my BoxyCharm Luxe box for March, even though we're halfway through April now. Right. Okay guys, so that was my Boxyluxe video. What did you think? So just to go through the products that were inside this box, we've got the Sponge Gel, which I'm more than happy about. I've got the Tarte's Pro Remix. I've got this PMD Pro thing, which I can't seem to get working, so I need to work on that. If I don't get it working, I'll be on to BoxyCharm about that. I've got the Nars Power Matte lipstick in the shade Give It Up, which I'm really happy about. That was this bright pink colour there. Really love that, so that's a good product. Another eyeliner, which honestly, what can I say? It's an eyeliner. We've got this Appeal Gel Liner. I don't know if it's a lip liner or an eyeliner. I don't know what it is. So I've got that there. I've got two body moisturisers from Sol de Janeiro. We've got the Bum Bum Cream, and you've got this one, which is the Coco Cabana. Obviously this is the one that I really love. This one smells like pina colada. I was saying it's an acquired taste, not sure about that. And then finally we've got the BoxyCharm eyeshadow palette. Not sure what I'm going to do about this. I might put this one in the April giveaway box. Not sure yet, I will decide. Okay guys, that's my Boxyluxe for March. What did you think? Did you think it was a good box? I mean, I've got my value from the box, so I have no complaints about that whatsoever. A couple of the products I'm not quite sure about, particularly the eyeliner and the gel liner. Very boring, but what can you do? I always get a couple of eyeliners each month. Every month I'll get a couple of eyeliners. It's a joke. It really is a joke on how many eyeliners we get. But overall, I think it's a decent box. I'm quite happy with the box. What did you think? Do you think it was a decent box? I know it was late, but what did you think? Do you think it was a good... I know it was late, but what did you think? Good box? I think so. I think it was alright. For $50, which is about 30, I think it's about 37, 38 pounds our money. Definitely made my money. I mean, the eyeshadow palette by itself is that money, I think, near enough. So, more than happy with that. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please let me know, and the best way to let me know is to give me a thumbs up down below. So yay, thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, and to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my future videos or unboxings, product reviews, trying out products, then press that notification bell, and then that will ensure that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Alright guys, take care. Thank you very much for watching. Please look after yourselves and stay safe. All right.